Okay, so we've taken a look at graphing a greater than. Let's take a look at graphing with the less than symbol. So we've got graph y is less than 3. Miss Estrie, where do you think you would start this graph?
I think I would start it at 3.
Why don't you come up here and show us how you would do it. Okay. So Miss Estrie thinks that we're going to start at 3. Do you think you're going to start at +3 or -3?
I think +3 because that 3 doesn't have a negative sign by it.
Okay, so are you going to use an open or closed circle?
Open circle.
Okay.
Open.
And click on the pen.
Okay. Put it right on the 3. And then since it's y is less than 3, you can still go that direction.
Good job. All right, so now, thank you, Miss Estrie.
Thank
So
you.
now we're going to take a look at the next type of problem, which is when we have to use a closed circle. So notice what changed. Our symbol changed, and it has this bar underneath. Miss Hernandez, can you tell me what this bar underneath that symbol means?
Less than or equal to.
Less than or equal to. So this time, we have to include the number 7 in our graph. And is it going to be a +7 or -7, class?
Positive.
+7. So I'm going to draw a closed circle. So I'm going to fill it in all the way. I'm going to exaggerate it for you so you can really see. And we're going to go less than. So which direction would I need to go? To the left. So I think to myself, less than, left, less than. So I can make an L with my left hand. So less than. So I'm going to go to the left. All right, and I need a volunteer to come up and do our last example. Graphing U is greater than or equal to 7.
Do it again, Miss Estrie. You did such a good time.
Yeah.
You did such a good job.
Come on down, Miss
Yes.
Estrie. So she's going to graph for us greater than or equal to 7. So is it going to be on positive or -7?
Okay. It's going to be on +7 again. And I'm going to fill it in all the way.
Let's go on.
So now that it says greater than, I'm going to go to the right.
Good job. And I just want to point out one simple trick to help you remember which way to graph. If you take a look at your less than symbol, it kind of makes an arrow, doesn't it? And take a look at our arrow. It's pointing in the left side. And then if we take a look at our greater than or equal to symbol, it's pointing to the right. And if you look at our graph, our arrow is also pointing to the right. So now you're going to take a look at your notes that you need to have filled out for tomorrow for graphing inequality.